Uh, Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss on the topic is the drug analysis. The analysis of drug is the compound is said to be impure. It is having a foreign matter. That means the different type of impurities are included in the drug sample. The pure chemical compound and impure chemical compound. The pure chemical compound the is refers to that the compound which is having no poison matter or no impurities present in the drug sample. That means the chemical impurity means freedom from the poison matter. Analytically, the 100% pure substance are not available and trace of impurities must be present in the drug sample. Normally, the undesirable foreign materials are present in the pharmaceutical substances, and therefore, they the what is meant by impurity? The any material that affects the purity of the material of interest. The impurity means the undesired particles or the impurities present in the drug uh, sample. The presence of impurities in the pharmaceutical substances may produce toxic effects on the body and may also lower down the active strength of the pharmaceutical substances. The impurities commonly in chemical substances included a small quantities of lead, arsenic, iron, chloride, sulfate. These are the toxic compounds which are present in the drug samples. And therefore, the impurities commonly found in medicinal preparations, the impurities which have toxic effects on the body and bring about the unpleasant reactions when present beyond the certain limits. For example, lead and arsenic salts. The impurities which are able to make substance incompatible with the other substances. Now, these impurities present beyond the limit affect the storage property of the pharmaceuticals, which are these impurities are harmless, but if present beyond the limit, it will be lower the active strength of the medicinal compound. For example, sodium salt in potassium salt. Uh, the impurities which may be bring about the technical difficulties in the use of the substance. The impurities such as taste, odor, color, uh, appearance, which can be easily detected by the sense, and the make the substance unhygienic and synthetic. For example, sodium chloride becomes damp because of the presence of trace of the magnesium salts. Also, phenolic impurities present in sodium salicylate to alters its odor, and therefore uh, the sources of impurities which are present in pharmaceuticals, the type and the amount of present impurity present in chemicals or pharmaceutical substances depend upon the several factors like those uh, the the impurities in raw materials, pharmaceutical raw materials, like raw materials uh, which are used in the manufacturing. Second, the reagents also used in manufacturing process. Third is the method or process which are uh, adapted in the pharmaceutical or manufacturing um, process. Fourth is the chemical process which are used in the manufacture. Fifth, atmospheric the atmospheric contamination, decomposition of the product, storage of the uh, product in the industry. One more, the sources of impurities in the pharmaceuticals, like the defects in the manufacturing process, manufacturing hazards, and decomposition product during the storage, accidental substitution or deliberate the alteration with the spurious or useless materials. These are the sources of the uh, impurities in the pharmaceuticals. And the limit test for the impurities, the limit test for the iron, limit test for chloride, limit test for sulfate, limit test for arsenic, and limit test for lead. These are the commonly in the impurities which are found in the pharmaceutical tablets. The next point is the analysis of commonly used drug such as the or classification of drugs such as the antihistamines, mostly used as the ulcers, uh, and sulfa drugs which are used as the antibiotics, and barbiturates. These are the important drugs which are used in the uh, uh, human body, used for the human body or humans. Uh, these are most common the classification of drugs such as antihistamines, sulfa drugs, and barbiturates. And therefore, they uh, one by one the sources of the raw materials uh, which is used in the manufacturing process, like calcium sulfate. Okay, the calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, or magnesium chloride, sodium chloride. These are the most of the raw materials are used in the pharmaceutical process, and therefore these impurities are known to be associated with the chemicals may be carried out through the manufacturing process and contaminate the final product. And therefore the rock salt contains small amount of calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, and sodium chloride. Prepared from this source will contain trace of calcium magnesium compounds. The impurities such as arsenic, lead, heavy metals are present in raw materials and hence are found in substances. So it is necessary to use pure chemicals and substances are as raw materials for the manufacturing process. For example, copper sulfate may be prepared by the action of sulfuric acid on the copper turnings. You know, the uh, copper sulfate, preparation of copper sulfate. Okay, and this preparation of copper sulfate from the copper turning means copper alloy or copper metal, and therefore by using this copper plus twice H2SO4 to form a copper sulfate. Okay, and these are the main product is the copper sulfate. In this preparation of copper sulfate from the copper turnings, uh, if large quantities of impurities are present in the raw materials, for example copper turnings, they may enter the final product copper sulfate. And due to this, Indian Pharmacopoeia prescribes the limit of tolerance for the arsenic as a impurity which are present in the copper sulfate. Not more than 8 parts per million in copper sulfate. Similarly, it is prescribes a limit iron also iron is impurity in the copper sulfate. The impurities main is arsenic or iron. These impurities are found in the copper sulfate. Like, okay. Yeah. The second uh, source of impurities in the second is the reagent. Reagents which are used in the manufacturing process. If the reagent used in the manufacturing process are not completely removed, uh, that is washing, they may find entry into the final products. For example, ammoniated mercury may be prepared by adding solutions of mercury chloride to dilute ammonium solution. Yeah. For example, HgCl2, okay, NH is ammoniated with NH4 to form ammonical chloride, NH2, HgCl, okay, and NH4Cl and H2. Okay, to form a precipitate of the PPT or the ammonical mercurial chloride or mercury chloride, uh, the precipitate ammoniated mercury, that is final product which contains ammonium hydroxide, and therefore in this final product the impurities is ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. These are this precipitate is washed with cold water to remove the ammonium hydroxide, and if it is not removed completely by washing with water, the final product may contain uh, the ammonium hydroxide. This is the ammonium hydroxide is the impurities which are basic in nature, and therefore uh, the the preparation of mercury's ammoniated mercury pipette and the NH4 is uh, detected. The third method is a method or process which are used in the manufacturing process. Method or process. Third, process. This is the important the source of impurities in this process. Uh, uh, the many drugs or chemicals, usually organic, are manufactured from the different raw materials by using the different method or process. Some impurities are incorporated into the materials during the manufacturing process. The type and amount of impurity which are present in the drug or chemicals. In certain drugs such as multiple step synthesis process is used which produces a intermediate also product, and therefore the purification of intermediate is also important. Otherwise the impurities present in the intermediate will get incorporated into the final product, and so the side reactions occur during the synthesis, and such impurities of the product side reactions also occur in the substance, and this may introduce new impurities to form due to contamination by the reagents and solvents at various stages of the process. The reagents, and therefore the reagents employed in the process, reagents added and to remove the impurities, also solvents, the action of solvents and reagents and on the reaction vessels. Thank you.